Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Our lesson is noun, especially common noun and proper noun. Don't worry, this lesson is very easy. Let's start. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. It is one of the most important parts of speech in sentence. It often serves as the subject or object. Now let us learn common noun. What is a common noun? A common noun is the general name. It is not a special name. Example: boy, teacher, city, school. Now let us learn proper noun. What is a proper noun? A specific noun, person, place, thing that is always capitalized because it is a name. Example: Remo, Colombo, Disneyland, Saturday. Now look at the difference common noun versus proper noun. Compare. Boy, boy is a common noun. Remo, Remo is a proper noun. City, city is a common noun. Colombo, Colombo is a proper noun. Now it is practice time. Listen carefully, you answer first. Number 1, dog is. Number 2, Sri Lanka is. Number 3, teacher is. Number 4, Anu is. Take a few minutes, fill in the blank. Let us recap. Today we have learned a noun is a name, a common noun is a general name, a proper noun is a special name. That is all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Write one common noun and one proper noun in the comment. Thank you. See you again.